You can't take a picture with that, I think.
Yun din na, kaya nga pa nagdadala ako ng ulo pag alam ko
So it won't
duty siya.
fall.
Nag-e-extra ako ng
Wait.
sa kanya. Para
What did you do?
I accidentally spilled it.
Kunwari kakain para siya sabi ko, tama naman
I'm gonna move him. I'm gonna move him.
Kasi pang-up.
I'm gonna move the paint.
Pang-apat.
Get towels. Get towels.
Wawa naman pa ako.
Get towels. Get towels.
No, you do it.
Oh. Oh, di ba nga sabi ko, wala akong pakialam dahil mabuto ko yung anak mo, pakainin mo, hayop ka. Oh. Mahal mo, hindi ka kasi Miko dito, tuwa siya.
Ate, back.
Did you have towels?
Yes, one. Okay. Move away.
Ay, kaya sinabi ko sa'yo, ikaw
Move
pala.
away this
Patinig
culture.
sa'yo.
I don't wanna ruin it. Again.
Ikaw pala yung
Again. I ruined it today. Like,
2 times.
2 times.
Wait lang. Sabi ko, wait lang. Kaya ako na sinabi ikaw, may tumatawag sa July 14.
No, give me the towel. Give me the towel.
Here you go.
Ikaw, number mo.
Oh no.
Alas 9.
Okay.
Wipe it. Wipe it. Wipe it. Wipe it.
Oo,
Give me that.
Hindi ko kilala yung number.
Here. Make it there.
Thank you.
Really?
No, it's fine.
We have to. It's too wet.
What do you mean it's too late? It's fine. Let me just use the dry parts.
Here, where it's dried. You can do it here, too. Because it's just a little. Why don't... Why can't you do that?
O baka, ano yung camera rin, puta na may copa
So,
yung tayo. Oh, ito rin, sabi ko, puta na
It's
may
fine, it's
copa
fine.
lahat.
Just need
Sabi, i-block mo,
I'm
block
doing
mo.
it. Okay,
I need the paint.
I need someone to help me. I need someone
I-block mo,
to
block
help
mo.
me.
Sabi ko, hinanap ko talaga, sabi ko, parang ito yung nakita ko number, 890. Ang huli. Tinignan ko, puta, sinabi ko. Kaya sabi ko, tinext-click ka, ayan, tagal mong sumagot, nakatulog na ako. Block ka. Iba-block pala kita, ikaw pala yun, ha? Sabi ko, hindi naman sinadya yun kasi hindi naman natawag mo dito sa normal na telepono ko. Madami pang tao pag alis ko. Ano naman ako alis? 2:30.
Oh no!
What? You could have just used the cat.
I didn't know that.
Now you ruined your paint.
I put too much paint. Okay. I took all of the paint with you. Okay, what do you do?
Nothing.
Why did you bend its head?
It's not bended anymore.
Then why is it wiggling? I want to touch cheetah. Can I touch cheetah?
No,
Why?
because it will fall off.
Then why do you not glue it?
We don't have glue.
Parang gusto niyo mangyari, hindi ko pa
I'll glue it
nakakabayan.
when it's dry.
And wait, what? Dried? It's already dried.
No, the paint.
Oh. Are you
wala naman hindi ko binabayaran sa
using the paintbrush that I was gonna use?
Yeah, this one?
No.
No.
I need to do this.
Pero sa mga hinigog,
Can I wipe it?
ako ni Paul,
Here.
kaya may konti pa ako natitira. Oo.
Okay. Now. Too much. Too much. Where is the out?
Oo.
You can
Backside reveal.
backside what?
Okay, I can't expect.
Side reveal. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
That was easy for me. And also terrifying.
Oo. Mukhang pera, di ba? Ako eh. Oo. Ano yung klase mong lola yun?
I mixed it. I mixed it. I mixed it. Okay, wait. Give me something that I can wipe it with.
Sa nanay, sabi ko, puta ka ba din lang
We know, don't do it
ng aso.
I can't really do anything with this. Wait. I need to put a little more of that. Where's the wait? Oh. I need a bit. Ow.
Oh, tingnan mo itong mga pamangkin ko. Di pumunta kami ng nana. Alam mo nga alam mo na magkano ako, naka-37 ako.
What did you do?
Okay lang naman, tapos hindi pa.
It fell.
Pero
It fell.
hindi pa,
It fell.
I'm hungry. Oh, ngayon.
Do not fall again.
Then we go tanak.
Why did it fall?
Okay, go. Sabi ko,
You need to glue it right.
I decapitated it. Decapitated blue dude.
Blue dude. Are you okay? Wait. You
Blue
need
dude's okay.
you need water
Hindi ka ba na,
to reactivate it on the bottom of the
hindi nag-apply
Yeah, I
ako sa
tried
kansa.
doing that.
What? Wait, what?
Jody, what did you do?
I put a little water on it.
Ako, hindi
And it didn't work.
Hindi ako ulit.
I don't think that
Ayaw
worked.
nang gumana yung akin.
I don't think. Wait. Blue dude has
Jody.
it has a bald spot on its head.
Bilang mo ng maraming pagkain. Bilang mo maraming pagkain, papayag yan na utusan mo. Eat all you can.
Is this light enough? I need more white. It's too dark.
Oh.
You know what? I'll separate it.
Wait, what? You're separating it?
Yeah.
And
I'll
why
do
did
it
you
later
balik
on.
it?
You did it.
Ikaw masarap
No, you balikted it. This apron, you balikted it.
Oh.
Dati, friend ko, ewan ko ba't hindi.
You balikted
Hindi,
it.
ibig sabihin okay na sila.
Why can I say it?
Pagdasal mo huwag hiniwalay. Kasi pag kayo naghiwalay, siyempre yung lalaki aalis yan, o baka umuwi na ng ganyan. Kuhanin ka, Hindi.
I need to do the cheek after. Bye-bye, beautiful face.
O, sabihin natin, mag-iwalay na sila ng bahay kung kuhanin mo
I can't even see it.
Paano? Helen?
I can't even
Ako,
see.
mamumulubi ka sa pagkain dyan.
Can't see. Oh. Where's the mouth? Where's the mouth? Where is my beautiful mouth?